That's going to be a prerequisite. You need 1,000 hours of freaking trading content. All right, in my opinion. And even up here, look, remember I said I like the fade from up here? It would have worked. Look, down to 449.27. And the trade, I mean, the day isn't over, but just from up here to here with the right amount of size, you know what I'm saying? That trade worked. And that's why, like, keep your bias out of it. So I'm interested to see what happens here. We're attempting to break above 449.5 right now. Kind of looks like we're having trouble. And I mean, you can see why, because we're having trouble here. I'm trying to pop. Look, they're selling into everything. They're selling into everything. All right, let's get rid of all these levels. That should look way too messy. Look, they're selling into it. Look, see all these wicks on the top? Wick, 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 wick. They're selling into everything, bro. Right here, 449.73 is the resistance I'm seeing from an intraday standpoint. So I like the fade from up here again. I like the fade from up here. If you pull this down, it could be almost like a triple top. 1, 2, 3, but the real level's here. Now, we're on the high of day, but I like the fade from up here, bro. I'm just not like, look, and also look at Apple holding this double bottom. That's interesting. Look at Tesla. We faded to a certain point, found some support finally, and started trending up. And now Tesla trying to cross over VWAP. So Apple cracks this and Tesla rejects off VWAP. I definitely like the fade from up here. But as I'm seeing Tesla start to trend up, all right, so look at this little V right here. And now we're attempting to go back up. This is the Russell ETF, the IWM. I mean, we faded and then we bounced. So actually, hold off on the fade for now. Hold off on the fade for now. We need more insinuation of continuation. All right, so you see how this weakness, like, I thought I seen a little weakness there. We broke above 194 for a second. But if we immediately break back down, I'm liking the fade even more. All right? And then look, here's the S&P 500. Look, I was watching this thing ready for the gap down, like ready for us to crack this level and gap down. But that you know what I'm saying? Once I seen that wasn't going to happen, I actually flipped long again. And, you know what I'm saying? Like, again, like, I'm already done trading, bro. Like, I'm done. But I'm just watching the markets, like, because guess what? Screen time equals green time, bro. Hashtag. You heard it here first. So look at this. I mean, you can almost call this kind of resistance here. But look, got a double top, like 1, 2, okay? And I feel like I'm starting to see a little divergence between small caps and large caps right now. Look at Meta. All right, let's get rid of these levels. No bias, bro. Butt naked. Raw dog. No financial media consumed. No, actually, that's a lie. I seen a tweet from Triple D, and I mean, dude, as he was tweeting that shit, I was fading, and that's why I stopped live streaming and trading, because that time where, like, if I would have been, you know what I'm saying, tweeting, oh, I like the fade from here, like, those couple of seconds is the difference between a good entry and a bad entry. You feel me? But now that, you know what I'm saying, like, I've hit, you know what I'm saying, my price target and all that, and I don't necessarily have to take any more trades, like, I'll get on and stream and kind of provide some commentary, and if I do see an A+ setup, I will take it. Look, I like how this thing is attempting to break past this double top, but just because we break past it for a second doesn't mean anything. But I will stress to you that the S&P 500 is on the high of day right now. So is Nvidia. So is Google. All right. And now with the Russell going front side here, well, that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like we're already kind of extended to the upside a little bit. You feel me? So look, let's see how they play with it. Let's see if we go front side for a second and then break back down. If we do, I'm still interested in the fade. We just have to proceed with caution. See? Look, what did I just say? What did I just say? I like the fade from up here. 449.73, 449.75. Crack that level right there. Let's see where we're at in the grand scheme. Look where we dumped from, bro. Oh, Well, everyone was saying bullish, 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 bullish. When they were saying bullish, 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 I caught this fade, flipped long, ran up here, and then faded again. In my opinion, look, what I say, I like the fade from up here. It's not too late, especially if we break down 449.50s, because it's a major psychological level. I'd be looking at those 449 puts, in my opinion. Let's see what they're going for. The 449 puts, that's only 1045. All right. Like after lunchtime, after 11 o'clock, 11:30, the zero DTEs are out. I mean, dude, I'm done. I mean, I'll take a little trade just for shits and giggles. See, we're trying to hold 449.50 though. See that? Looks like we just cracked it. Just because we crack it for a second doesn't mean anything. We need to see some insinuation of continuation. So let's look around the markets. See, like as I'm getting ready to look around the markets, look, I'm about to miss my freaking entry. I don't know, man. I'm ready to stop out though. Off rip. Damn, fill me. Like, dude, I missed my fill. Buy on the ask. Update.
Order filled.
See, when I was running my mouth, though, up here was the best place to take the trade. The only problem with that is you're trying to fade while the market's on the high a day. You know what I mean? But that's why you have to wait for confirmation. Let us come back down here and break the support first, and then you grab them. And my price target, see, I'm not scared, but this would be something to take into consideration. This is a level here. 449.25. I mean, look, we chopped around it here, rejected off of it here, rejected off of it here, consolidated here, bounced up, came back down, consolidated on it here, ran back up, and put in a new high day, rejected, back down to this level. It's looking like we're trying to bounce off of it right now, but let's just see. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, problem area here. 449.27. We came down. Look, consolidation station, came back down, double bottomed, double consolidation station. Now, that trade was working. And I mean, I'm probably, you know what I'm saying, like up a little bit on it or break even. You feel me? Just because, like it took me a while to actually get into the trade. I had to go back and change it and buy on, change the limit price and buy on the ask. Which if you're trading highly liquid instruments, like I see no problem with buying on the ask. Like if you're trading like the Spire, the Qs, or like Apple, you know what I'm saying, Tesla, Meta, Google, and the big dogs. Like there's no problem with buying on the ask in my opinion, because the spread's so close. Like it's so narrow, it's like a couple cents. When you buy on the ask, I mean, it basically, for the most part, guarantees you'll get filled. It's 449.27, you feel me? But that's my only concern. But I'd be weary of actually going long here too, bro, because we've already run up substantially. So you missed 3/4 of the move already by trying to go long here. Unless we just have some bullish ass price action that comes out of nowhere and we break out. You know what I'm saying? But barring that, like this is where I would prefer to go long at, down here. Once we're already up here, yeah, it could work. But in my opinion, if you already missed 3/4 of the move, it's not a good trade. See, we're playing around too much up here. My stop obviously would be breaking above 449.73. Dude, see how the Russell's playing around up here? It's been doing this for like the last 3 trading periods. Like going front side, going back side, going front side, going back side. And then if you look at the S&P 500, look, we came up here, made a new high, then rejected. All right. And then if you look at it, it's almost like the inverse higher lows. Look, this would be your support. This would be your inverse higher low, 45.0650s. That would be your first one. Look at the Russell ETF. Cracking previous close. We'll look at the SPY now. Back down here. So how many times have we tested this? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crack. So at this point, my price target is VWAP 449 flat. So that coming down on the 5 minute too, bro. Price target's VWAP. And look, you got a major psychological level here, 449 flat. You also have VWAP running parallel damn near right on top of it. And then you got the 120 right under it. So I wouldn't look, that's my price target. All right, so let's get ready to go ahead and exit. See profits, take profits. Let me just wait, because there is a possibility we crack 449 flat and VWAP and the 120. I mean, it's a tall task. It's a lot to ask for, but there is that possibility. And the only reason why I am giving it a little bit more time is because, like, I'm already done for the day. You know what I'm saying? And I didn't, on this trade on the live stream, like this one I'm in right now, like I went with nowhere near full size. So that's why I feel like I can afford to maybe give it a little bit more time to work. But look, as you look at the, okay, so as you look at the S&P 500, right? See where we came down and wicked and bounced at? See this? Whenever you see that wick like that, after we've been fading and we wick up real quick and you immediately then see a wick on the top, to me, that's insinuation of continuation to the downside. And you can see it on the Russell ETF. That thing's fading. Look, Nvidia's been fading, 453 flat. I mean, and it's congruent with VWAP. So I wouldn't expect it to be easy for us to crack this. But if we do crack it, that's insinuation of continuation. And it's looking like we're about to crack that. Oh, you see? VWAP slanted down to accommodate it. That's what that was. You seen it. Alright, so look. Oh, my shit's acting glitchy as hell. Hold on. I might be under attack. Yo, they're still doing it. They're still trying to, like, hack me, bro. I swear, bro. I just got to the point where I'm like, fuck it. I'm trying to take the stoic approach. Ooh. So look, 449 flat. Look, they faked us out. Like we're gonna crack it. Oh, as VWAP slants and we're looking bearish, that's usually insinuation of continuation. But the thing is, see, this is my price target. But so I mean, if we're cracking 449 flat with VWAP running congruent with it, and the 120 right under that, and we crack all that, if I ever seen insinuation of continuation, that was it. Could be a liquidity grab. See, look at it, we're wicking hard. Oh man, about to get liquidity grabbed here. They're not trying to give up this 449.02. See, and that's a prime example of why you stick to your price target. Because if I would have, look, bam, I would have got out right there. 449 flat. And see, that's why that level's so important. That's where we gapped up to. You know what I mean? That makes sense, right? Gapping up there, and we gap up and terminate, and then start fading. So you know that level is significant. And plus, it's a psychological level. Well, look at that wick right there. See that wick reaching up and rejecting off the 9 EMA? That's insinuation of continuation to me. I mean, we can go like this maybe. Put a little trend line there. I mean, trend lines don't really work that good on like a 1 minute. Let's go to like a 5. Price action, yeah. Insinuation of continuation. But honestly, I feel like I'm playing with it, and I might be being a little too greedy here, and I might just have to go ahead and take my profits once again and like really be done. But look, I mean, clear downtrend we're respecting right now. Wicking to the upside, trying to reject off of VWAP and that trend line. We're below the 9 EMA. On the 3 minute, we're way above the 120 though.